guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another GlobeIn box to share with you. So I have done several GlobeIn unboxings in the past and I love all of the things in these boxes. They are all handcrafted, artisan made products from around the world, which I think is amazing. And in fact, they also sent me this little booklet right here, the GlobeIn Impact Report for 2019. And it's pretty amazing to see the impact of what this company has done and how they've brought together other companies literally from around the world and all of the different things that they've made and brought together and what they've been able to do to support all of these people and artisans just, in these amazing areas. We've got Ghana and Peru, Morocco, Mexico, just everywhere. So I thought this was really amazing. It was pretty fantastic to see on paper just what this company is accomplishing through what they're doing. So I am happy to support them. And this month I have the soiree box. So here's the little booklet talking about these particular items. When you sign up, you can do a subscription and then they show you the featured boxes, and I believe there's 3 to choose from. And so you can look at them and go, oh yeah, I want that one. Plus they have a page where you can just buy stuff one off, which I think is really cool too. So if you wanted to give something as a gift or something like that, or just try it out once, I think that's a great way to go about it. As I said, the soiree box, the first thing in here is this pitcher. Look how great this is. It's an iced tea pitcher, technically. You can put whatever you want in it, of course. And this one is made by David Herrera from Mexico, and the company that he works with is Cristaluc. And I love, they have a little blurb and they actually talk about David himself and how he loves the Avenger movies and everything. And this is glass blown artistry right here, which if you've ever seen people doing the glass blowing, it is pretty remarkable. It is some amazing stuff going on. And I love the shape and the size of this, and the red and white swirls make me think of like a candy cane. Of course you could just, put ice water in here or iced tea or some sort of fruit juice or a cocktail. And it also has these 2 glasses made by the same company. They match the pitcher, but they show a little blurb in here about Jesus Sandoval, and he's the one who blew these ones. And I love that. And you can see in the picture here, they've got like the strawberry and lemonade, and they call them tropical swirl. Again, I keep thinking that it looks like a peppermint thing. So I'm actually going to make a cocktail for you guys to show you how cute these are as little cocktail glasses. I've been using these glasses since I got this box about a week ago, and they're pretty thick, but not overly, clunky or anything. And I like the stemless wine glass style of it. I drink water out of it, juice, wine, whatever you've got on hand. It's a great little glass and they're so cute. Another thing I was thinking of is if you do have, like, say you set this out at a party and you've got it full of, I don't know, ice water, whatever you're drinking, and you only have 2 of these glasses, they also make great cups, like for holding, I don't know, silverware or straws or, something like that. They would make great little holders because they're so super cute. And then this box also came with this awesome little wooden spoon, which is the perfect size for like stirring your drink, and then it's got a little scoop on it for a little taste, which I think is great. And the way that they make these is this hand, like where they have to turn the wood as they're carving it. I was reading about it and it just sounds really interesting. So this one was actually made in Thailand by a company called From Thailand With Love. And I've been using this a ton. It's one of those things that you think, I don't know what I'm gonna use that for, but I ended up using it a lot just to like mostly stir things and like taste drinks, especially if you're mixing cocktails or something, give it a little swizzle, taste it, yeah, that's good, or needs more honey, or whatever. And then the final item is this, and at first I was like, wait, what the heck is this? It's a wine cork, or like a bottle topper. And this one is from Peru. Sobremesa by Greenheart is the name of the company. And here, let's see, I think I actually have a wine bottle right here. Isn't that a cute little topper? I don't know, I just think it was really cute. And it's unique, you know, I've never seen anything like this. I didn't even know what it was at first. So I thought this was really cute. And then they also have a couple pages in here with recipes. So you've got 10 tips for the perfect charcuterie board. And then you have vegetarian Italian stuffed mushrooms, which sound amazing. And like I said, I'm going to show you this cocktail that I found that is a peppermint cocktail for these glasses. I specifically found a cocktail just for these glasses. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is put the rim on the glass. So I'm just wetting this. This is just water on a cloth. You can dip it in a bowl or whatever if you have a better technique. And then I have some crushed up candy canes. I've seen these where you can actually just buy like a bag of these, but I could only find candy canes this time around, so I just crushed them myself with a mallet. Okay, now we have some crushed peppermint on there. I'm gonna fill it with ice. 1 part vodka, 1 part cranberry juice, and 1 part 7-Up. Give it a stir, and then garnish with some cranberries. You could also use a peppermint stick or a candy cane in there as well. And we have this adorable festive drink that I think goes so well with these glasses. And it's, you know, holiday-ish and fun. And really tasty. That peppermint adds just like this wonderful flavor that is unexpected and delicious. I love it. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box. You guys can check it out. I will also leave the recipe for this cocktail if you want to try that. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!